Second nature after a while. So it is dragging over the bottom as well.
There you go.
It's a big one.
That's winter whiting. Oh, there's one. That's fighting like a Taiwan. It's me. Yep. These little guys are a little bit annoying, but...
Oh, it's a little flounder.
Taiwan. It's like the brim's cousin. Oh, that's a good bite. Lift. That's it. Now one. Just keep it nice and steady. That's it. Drop your rod to about the same level as your eyes. So you're using just the right amount of bend in the rod to fight.
It's really tough.
Yeah, that could be a good fish. I'll get the net. When he comes up, just stop winding when they get to the surface.
How do I know when it's on?
You'll see him. Yeah, in a second I'll see him now. Oh, it's a good flatty. Nice flatty.
Oh, wow!
Well
Look
done.
how big he is!
That's a good fish.
That's a beauty.
You're not bringing her again.
Oh, wow! Can we keep that one?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, you're a bugger.
Oh, the wintries. They, yeah, they'll be flatted, yeah.
I didn't think he'd be funny.
Eco gear worm does it again. So often does. Fish.
And you just can eat any of these size?
Yeah. Oh yeah. A little bit skinny, that one. Get slightly bigger ones than
A
that.
bit of a sardine.
Yeah.
It
Let
comes
him.
down to a legal size and how much effort you want to put in the
Yeah.
feed out of it.
Yeah, exactly.
You could understand why.
Yeah.
I don't know whether to tell her or not.
Yeah, we got to see how that work.
Yeah.
It's the same fish you just caught.
But he's been over here a long time.
Yeah. Usual rain events.
They rang me last night and asked me if they wanted to work.
Yeah, right. Their worm's firing. Oh, that's a nice whiting. That's a sand whiting. Different species.
Can we keep those ones?
They've got to be 23 centimeters minimum. We'll measure them. Double winter whiting. Literally can't resist them. Oh, what's that? Little tusky. Nice. Grab the rag and get them off. Where's the big tuskies? They get pretty big, these guys, and when they...
Yeah, Lynn, how's
when
that? The colour.
Beautiful, eh? Those eyes. Blue teeth. What do you want? Keep winding. Always keep winding.
No, he's on
That's a nice whiting. Let's watch your lines, guys. That's it. That's a nice sand whiting.
Am I allowed to keep this one?
Yeah. I'd say definitely. There's been so many sand whiting around the channels lately, it's unusual. Usually on the Yabby banks. Ah, Taiwan. Go away. And you too, jet ski, go away. Whiting.
Too small.
Need some bigger ones. Can do little pump and winds where you lift, and as you drop wind, yeah, just gently and short. That's it. Just gently, because a bigger fish will snap this line, but soft hands, I always say. Oh, nice Taiwan. There's one. They go like anything, don't they?
It hit hard.
Oh yeah. Little trains.
It hit lovely.
Yeah. Got a really big one here yesterday. It was good fish. Ah, there's a flathead, just not the right size. Little dusky. Nice Taiwan. Brim. Taiwan's cousin. Thanks. Brimbo. Hey.
People have got a rod outside.
Just wind it anyway, check your baits. They often come, that's right, yeah. They'll swim straight towards you and you think you've lost them, so always keep winding just in case.
Oh, he's hard.
Going, yeah. Taiwan or whiting. Oh, nice whiting.
Oh, look at that.
Net that one, don't lift them up.
Sorry, don't.
Nah, you'll break the line. Oh, leave them in the water.
Leave him in the water.
And now bring them in the net. Yeah, nice.
Oh, geez, I did that well, didn't I?
Well done. That's a nice whiting.
God.
Oh,
I'm
that's
gonna hear the end of this.
that's a great eating fish. You're eating flathead and whiting for dinner tonight, aren't you? That's their typical bite. You've got to let them swallow it. They're very sly fish, yeah, but that's a nice whiting. Beautiful whiting. There's hope that's a whiting. Yes. Love to get a school of these. Well done. Lovely fish. Another beautiful whiting, yeah. Yeah, well, they are school fish, so you'd expect to catch more. More careful you gotta be. Chuck that in there. Get the net. Cole. Oh, snapper. Beautiful. It is undersized, but still lovely to catch
Almost
snapper.
in a plate size.
It'd be so nice to eat, but yeah, they've got to be 35 centimeters,
Yeah.
these fellas.
He hit nicely.
They
really
hit
nice.
hard, don't they? Yeah, they don't muck around.
See, that's part of the fun. Is
This is
that
a fish that grows pretty big, grows to over 1 meter long.
Whoa.
And they do catch them over 1 meter long offshore. Oh,
Out a bit.
he was not going to come out. See you, buddy. Go get big.
Be my barrel. It's fighting.
It is.
Oh, you're
Watch your lines there, guys, so you don't get tangled. Try and avoid it. That's it. Easier to avoid than untangle it.
Oh, he's hard.
right.
That's all right, no rush.
Bit by bit.
Taiwan.
Oh,
Bring him up.
there you
go.
Chip fiddle?
Yes. Just was fighting hard for his size.
You did hit hard.
He did, they do. Smack the yabby so hard. Or Taiwan. Jeez. It's like fishing offshore, isn't it? Swell. Oh, that's a nice Taiwan.
That one looks big enough.
I think so. Yeah. Hit like a snapper.
Bigger and bigger, don't they?
They do, don't they? Yep. It's that shape of theirs. It's a nice fish. They did hard. It's alright, you won't go far. Just keep winding. When they want to run, just let them run. He'll tire out. No rush. That's it. Perfect. When they're running, you stop winding for a second, and when they stop, wind again straight away. That's it. Keep them coming now. That's got to be a snapper or a Taiwan, that one. Taiwan. Oh, that's decent size.
Go me.
Yeah. I think they're quite nice eating fish myself, because they're coming from the surf zone, so they're clean fish.
Oh, beautiful. And that one's not too little.
Oh no, that's easily size, yeah. Good point. Hey, the winter tings are back. I'll go for you.
You annoying little kid.
Breed like yabbies, these things. Nailed them.
Very small.
Oh, nice sand whiting. They're just turning up anywhere and everywhere.
Yeah, they must have got the word
Deep
out.
water.
You got the good jabby.
Oh, I gotta love a sand whiting. Coolest fish.
Little bugger.
Back on the chew, eh? Oh, there's a flounder. Been looking for a flounder. Lift him up. Oh, he's only little one.
Oh, he's getting flat.
Little fella. Funny fish, aren't they? There you go. Oh. Just like that, they come back on the tube, eh? Bit of tidal float and switch on. Oh, nice brim. It's not a bad size brim.
Wow, you got
Yeah.
a big one.
Solid brim.
Oh, he's still too small, isn't he?
Yeah. And there's his mate. I'll grab it for you then. Hold up. Seem to hang around together. Winter whiting in Taiwan. I wonder if it's a whiting. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Anywhere you go, there's whiting.
Yeah.
It's good to see. Such good numbers.
He's not huge, but he's not small.
Oh, he's legal, but I reckon it is really nice to see so many sand whiting. Hey, keep them coming. Great fish. So many sand whiting. I bet there's bigger ones there. They're probably just a bit more sly than these ones. Not as easily fooled. Oh, like that sound. Taiwan. That's on the worm, eh? Oh, Tusky. Nice. Is that it for you? It's quite a nice fish. Beautiful.
Good job, Ralphie.
Tusky on the worm. Eco gear worm. Oh, grab the towel. They're just too strong to hang on to otherwise. Powerful things. Alright, buddy. Alright.
It's the same as mine.
Hey, ting tings. Another ting ting. Quite healthy fish, aren't they? Fat. Good condition. Ooh, there you go. That's a good whiting bite, Lynn. Be ready to strike.
Yep.
Another one. His mate. Yeah.
You can tell.
Bloody zone. Yeah. You two related? It's not too far down. Yeah. Go for the hat trick. Keep still. There you go. That's one. This crab pot's been here for so long. It's funny how some crab pots get stolen so quickly in there. Another one will sit there for months.
Put their crock pot here.
Just that one floats over here. You can see how much growth is on it.
If they go and check it every day.
Maybe. Sorry, Flatty. Get rid of you. Brown eco gear worm.
God damn it. You know, if you weren't so cute, I'd probably be upset.
So when are you going shopping for a boat?
That's not a look good.
Yeah.
I'll get to the coast house first.
He was punching above his weight, wasn't he?
I thought you had a freaking video on there.
I thought you had a flathead or something, yeah.
Screwed with you.
Still. Oh no, it's horrible. What you got? Same fish. I think I have too. Oh, I got a snapper. Got a little snapper on the worm. Get yours off. It wasn't coming off. They make damn sure they hooked Taiwan. Different fight to it than the brim or Taiwan.
Get you on the ball.
Hopefully a flounder or flathead. What colour is it? Yeah, nice flounder. Well done.
All I wanted to do was catch a flounder.
Yeah, there you go.
Yep, first one to me.
Have a closer look.
Can't eat that one.
No.
Got no size limit.
Oh,
They're nice, just fried whole in the pan. Oh, what have we got here? Some good fish through here. Oh, another flounder. Flounderville. Gonna keep a few of them. Oh, oh,
it's going now.
yeah. I'll grab that one. Chuck, that's all right. Chuck it on the ground. Okay. Still there. And a flatty. There you go. Well done. Persistence pays. Yes, a little bit small. Got all three of those on video though. Hat trick. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, flatty. I'll net him so I don't lose the lure. Only little. Nah. Little dusky flathead on the vibe. Another little flatty. Deep water flatty. Hey, just anywhere you go, these guys can turn up. Lovely. Anywhere. They're fighting pretty hard for a little flatty.
We got the big flags.
Yeah.